this is Jasleen and you are welcome to my channel Jasleen Creation. Today my project is about how to make this beautiful Aarti Thali for Raksha Bandhan, and also I will show you how to make this kumkum box. So let's start with procedure. For this we need red yellow craft paper, 1 cardboard, liquid glue, rounder, 1 ball chain, half cut pearls, quilling tool, scissor, red color 10 mm strips and some multicolor 5 mm strips. First I am taking the mount board and I have taken 8 cm radius on my rounder and making one circle. Now using the same radius, I am dividing the circle into 6 equal parts. So it's done. Now I am taking 4 cm on my rounder and using these points I am making 6 semicircles. I have cut the flower shape and I have wrapped by using yellow color paper. Now I am taking half strip of red color 10 mm and making one tight coil. We need total 64 red tight coils. Now add glue and create one circle inside this flower shape by adding these coils. So it's done. Now I am taking one strip of blue color 5 mm and making one loose coil. Just add glue and make one semicircle like this. In the same way, we need total 6 semicircles. Now connect this semicircle in the center part of the petals. This is also done. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color and making one tight coil. Secure the tight coil using glue. So the tight coil is ready. In the same way I have created total 36 tight coils. Add this tight coil around the semicircle. So it's done. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of green and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one loose coil. Make a teardrop. Add glue to secure it. Now add this around the orange tight coils. So it's done. Now I am taking half strip of red and half strip of yellow color, and from the yellow side I am making one loose coil. Now take your tool and just pinch it and just twist it slightly and add glue to secure it. Now wrap this by using one red this will be the malice and flower petal. So the petal is ready. Now add these petals around these teardrops. After adding, it will look like this. Now I am taking one pink strip and wrap this around this petal. Add glue to secure it. Similarly, do for the other petals. Now I will show you how to make the last row. For this, I am taking 1/4 strip of sky and 1/4 strip of blue and making one tight curl. Secure so the coil is ready and paste like this. So the beautiful thali is ready. Now I will show you how to make this cute kumkum box. For this I am taking red color 5 mm strips and I will join total 14 strips. So it will look like this. Now I am making one dome shape and just adding glue inside this. And spreading it by using my brush. Similarly, I have made one violet color dome. Now I am taking this red strip and wrapping this strip around the glue cap to make a ring. So the ring is ready. Now I will join the ring around this dome shape. So it will be the lid of the box. So the cute tiny box is ready. I have decorated the lid by using some stone chain and added 2 orange color strips in the top. I have also added carry shape design below the box and decorated by using some hardcore balls. So the beautiful thali is ready. My project is done for today.